Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Designer channel. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step through modeling a simple and elegant table using SolidWorks Weldments. This is a great exercise if you're learning how to work with structural members and sketch-based frames. You can download the finished 3D model from the link in the description to follow along at your own pace. Let's begin. Start by selecting the right plane and open a new sketch. First, draw a horizontal line and set its length to 555 millimeters. Then, select the midpoint of this line and make it coincident with the origin. This ensures your model is centered and properly aligned. Next, draw a vertical line starting from the midpoint of the first line. Set its height to 760 millimeters. From the top endpoint of this vertical line, draw another horizontal line with the same length, 555 millimeters. Again, make sure the midpoint of this line is aligned with the top point of the vertical line. At this stage, you have the basic outline. Now we'll add additional lines to represent the internal support structure. Follow the drawing carefully and apply dimensions where needed to fully define the sketch. The sketch turns fully defined, usually shown in black. We need to clean it up. Some lines are only construction references and are no longer needed. Use the Trim Entities tool and remove the 2 extra lines so that only the structural paths remain. Now exit the sketch. Next, go to the Weldments tab and select Structural Member. In the Property Manager, choose Standard ISO. Type Square Tube. Size 40 by 40 by 4 millimeters. Now we'll assign the profile to the sketch. In the Group section, select the sketch segment step by step. Start with the top and bottom horizontal members as the first group. Then create additional groups for the vertical and angled segments. Grouping helps control how the profiles are applied and how corners are treated. Continue until all segments are assigned and the full frame is created. At this point, one side of the table support is complete. To create the second side, use the linear pattern feature. Select the body or features, define the direction, and set the distance according to your table width. Finally, we'll create the tabletop to complete the model. And that's it, you now have a complete table modeled using weldments. If you're new to weldments, try experimenting with different profile sizes or shapes to see how the design changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post new SolidWorks practice videos every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.